All right, Moski. What are we gonna be doing today?
Today, I'm gonna be showing everyone on YouTube, whoever wants to learn, how to roll a blunt.
All right.
It's pretty cool. But if you guys don't know how to do it yet, pretty much is how you do it. So, usually you could use a knife or some type of scissors right here to cut this. But if you don't have any, what I like to do is I pinch it right here. Pinch it kind of tight. Then I bring it down the middle. After I've pinched it right here and made kind of a line, I pull it from the sides. Starting from the top, it splits. I do it slowly. This is for someone that doesn't have any tools or anything like that, and all you got is a swisher and some weed. You see my next one that's coming up. It's gonna be how to light the blunt without a lighter or matches, with using sticks. Sticks you can pull off a tree. But you gotta make sure you pull a dry stick. That's how it works. But let's get back into this. So I'm gonna roll this blunt. Okay, well, what you want to do is you want to put the weed in the blunt. You want to make sure it's even in here. You want to make sure there's no spaces. If there is, add a little weed to where there's spaces. There's no spaces. There's spaces. There's no spaces. And you kind of just make sure it's even in there. Now, there's different techniques. The one I use is I do section by section. Now, what I would do here is my thumbs, the bottom part, I roll it in there. So it's like you put the top part laying over the bottom part just a little bit, and then you smash down the bottom part. So you're smashing down the weed, you're kind of forming the blunt already. Now, if you're doing bammer weed, let me tell you, it's just a little more difficult. It doesn't stick so good. Okay. So after I formed it, you get the top part, and I start the part where this is where your mouth goes, where you're gonna actually hit it. And I start right here. So now that I have it like this, I fold this part over. Now, different ways. I like to lick the top part that comes over. I like to lick in there. After I lick in there with my lips, I grab the top part and I pull down right here with my lips, and I just do that. So I'll do a section at a time. So I'll lick this part, then I'd fold this part over, then this part that's right there, I'll do like a lick, and then pull it down. Go across.
This is also why girls love to kiss him.
This is you'll keep a wife. You'll make her very happy.
A happy life.
I'm not telling you how to get a girl, but if you do get a girl, learning how to do this, you will keep your girl. Guarantee that. I've lived it. Okay. So, or a woman, I should say. I don't date girls. So pretty much that's it right there. How to roll blunt. Also, what I like to do is I like to get, you know, something small. You can use the tip of your shoelace. If you have nothing, you can use the tip of your shoelace. I'm wearing sandals right now, chanclas, so can't do that. Then you get that and you stick it in the blood. If you do it in the front part, to push it all together. You could do it in the back part. Okay. The more you do it, the more you get used to it. I used to buy a bunch of swishers and just buy a bunch of weed and just roll until I got good at it. So I at least learned how to do it. Then I would get this part. After you push it in, I'd grab the tip, pinch it. Oh, it's just fucked up. And then I would shake it. Same thing with the back. Pinch it, shake it. So all the weed goes down. And that is how you roll a blunt.